Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, knowing how to transfer assets like BUSD from Uphold to Metamask is a game changer for managing your portfolio. BUSD is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it perfect for secure transfers without wild price swings. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have both Uphold and Metamask set up. You'll need an Uphold account with some BUSD in it, and Metamask installed on your device. If you're new, download Metamask from the App Store or their website and create a wallet. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Head over to your dashboard and find your BUSD balance. Click on it to access the wallet options. Look for the Withdraw or Send button. This is where the magic happens. Next, select the correct network. BUSD typically runs on the BNB Smart Chain, so double-check that it's selected. Using the wrong network could lead to lost funds, so don't skip this. Now, switch to your Metamask app or extension. Make sure it's set to the BNB Smart Chain network as well. Copy your Metamask wallet address by going to the account details. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Back in Uphold, paste your Metamask address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to transfer and review the details carefully. You'll see any fees up front, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Hit the Confirm button, and Uphold will process the transaction. This might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open Metamask and refresh your wallet. You should see your BUSD there. A quick tip. Always verify transactions on a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan to ensure everything went smoothly. And remember, crypto is all about security, so never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how you transfer BUSD from Uphold to Metamask in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and now you're one step closer to mastering your crypto game. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.